Welcome guys, in today's video, I will walk you through how to use the Google Charts API to display data in charts format on your websites, just like the one I have here. Over here on my Visual Studio Code I have a simple HTML document. So let me run this on my browser using Live Server. Currently, as you can see, I only have an H1 tag, titled Population Chart. Now that our website is running, head over to Google and search for Google Charts. Click on the first search result accurate to the one on my screen. You should see a page like this. I will leave a link in the description though. When the page loads up, click on Get Started. We have lots of chart types to choose from, let's explore them. Let's check out the bar chart. The bar chart doesn't suit my taste, so I will simply go for another titled Geo Charts just like the one in the beginning of the video. Feel free to pick any charts of your choice. So here we simply have a documentation on how to use the Charts API for the Geo chart we selected. First we need to copy the script tag CDN provided and place it inside the head tag of our HTML document. Then copy the inline JavaScript with the default configurations too and also paste it in. Now that is done successfully, head over to our website. As we can see, the chart isn't displaying yet. To fix this, make sure you have created a div in the HTML document having an ID same as the one on the script which was called using the document.getElementById. You don't have to use a div, you can also use a canvas tag which is more preferable. Once that is done, the chart should display successfully. I will simply make some adjustments to mine. As you can see, our chart has changed in data size based on the values I manipulated. Basically, you should be doing this by sending in data from a server. This would likely not be done manually. So we have successfully consumed the Google's Chart API. Feel free to explore more. Please, if you are new to the channel, do like, share and subscribe as this helps the channel. Once more, my name is Lexium, and I will see you in the next one.